Hello everyone. Let us see the last chapter of our subject, that is multiple integrals. And first point of this, let us see, start with the double integration. Till 12th we have studied how to calculate the single integration. For double integration, rules of integrations are same. Okay, all the formulas, all the rules of integrations, u into v rule, substitution rule, any rule of integration is same for double integration itself. Okay, now let us see how to calculate double integration. Let us start with the example itself. Evaluate, we have to evaluate this integration. In double, it is double integration 1 to 2, and inner integration limits are in terms of variable in y. There are two variables x and y. Double integration with respect to x and with respect to y. The only thing we have to decide which integration we have to take first. Of course, inner integration we have to solve, but this integration with respect to x or with respect to y, that we have to decide. The outer limits are 1 to 2, inner limits are y to y cube e raised to x upon y dx dy. Okay, the function is of x and y, two variables. Now in the example, dx dy or dy dx doesn't matter, it depends on the inner integration. Inner integration, if it is of y, then we have to solve this integration first with respect to x. If the limits are of variable x, then we have to solve the integration with respect to y, opposite of that variable. If limits are y, in terms of y variable, then we have to solve this inner integration with respect to x. Okay, remember that only. If the inner integration limits are in x, then of course with respect to y we have to solve first. Okay, let us start now. This is the only rule we have to remember. Now let whatever the integration, let I is equal to this integration. Now limits are of y, that's why we have to integrate this integration with respect to x and dy afterward. Okay, we have to solve this first integration, single integration, as per our usual formula. Then whatever the answer for this we get, then we have to again integrate outside with respect to y. This is a simple procedure to find out double integration. Now let us see this one. And like partial derivative, with respect to x, if we want to calculate the integration, then y becomes constant, and with respect to y, x becomes constant. Okay, now here in the inner integration is with respect to x, that's why y is a constant. Treat it as constant throughout this first integration only. Okay, because in this particular bracket integration is with respect to x, nothing to do with y. Y is outside of this integration. Therefore, to solve this integration, integrate e raised to x upon y. We know e raised to integration is e raised to x upon y divided by the x upon y derivative should be divided with respect to x. Okay, what is that? 1 upon y is a constant. This is the integration, inner integration. Limits are same, y to y cube. Dy is same, outer integration is as usual same. Now put the limits, y becomes y comes to in the numerator, 1 upon y comes to the numerator, y into e raised to x upon y. Now put the upper limit first. In which variable we have to put the limits? Integration we have solved with respect to x, that's why we have to put these limits in x, not y. Okay, y is a constant there in this particular bracket. Y as it is, e raised to, instead of x put y, upper limit y cube upon y becomes y square, minus lower limit we have to put in x as y, e raised to y upon y, that is e raised to 1. This is the inner limit, inner integration we have just solved. Now now we have one more integration with respect to dy, with respect to y variable we have to solve as per our usual method. With respect to y, x is a constant. Okay, other variables are constant. Now put now take integration inside, we get 1 to 2 y e raised to y square dy minus this integration. E is a constant, e is a number in this term, that's why e outside, get outside from the integration, 1 to 2 y dy. Okay, this integration is easy, y square by 2, but to solve this integration we have to substitute, we have to use substitute method, because e raised to y into e raised to y square is there, that's why we have to use substitution here. Let I1 I suffix 1, another notation for this integration. Let us consider this. We have to put y square is equal to t. Substitution. Take derivative both side, 2y dy becomes dt. We want y dy, therefore y dy becomes dt upon 2. Now we have to check new limits. Old variable is y, new variable is t. Okay, old variable y limit is 1 to 2. Okay, now put y is equal to 1 in this equation, we get t is equal to 1 square, that is 1. Put y is equal to 2, we get t is equal to 2 square, that is 4. That's why new variable will be 1 to 4. Okay, now put these values in this equation. We in this integration we get limits 1 to 4, y dy becomes dt upon 2, and e raised to y square becomes t, e raised to t, and e raised to t integration is e raised to t by 2. Take outside, limits are 1 to 2. Put upper limit 4 in t, we get e raised to 4 minus e raised to lower limit 1. This is the answer for this integration. Put this value here, we get answer I is equal to half this term minus e as it is 1 to 2, while integration is y square by 2, limits 1 to 2 as it is. You can put here 1, equation 1, therefore equation 1 becomes this. Okay, now we have to solve this. Just arithmetic is there. This 1 by 2 e raised to 4, e raised to 4 by 2 minus e by 2 minus this ey, take 2 outside and put limit, upper limit 2 here, 2 square is 4, lower limit 1 square is 1. Therefore this term as it is, this term as it is, e by 2 as it is, 4 minus 1 3. Now e minus half minus here, take these 2, e raised to 4 by 2 as it is, and take minus e outside, half minus half minus 3 by 2 minus 2 minus 4 by 2, that is, this is the final answer for our integration. This is the way to solve the integration. This is very easy. Let us move to second example. It's little difficult one. Evaluate this integration is okay. Evaluate integration 0 to 1. Inner integration x cube to root x. 4xy minus y cube is our integrand, and dx dy. Now you have to decide whether the inner integration is with respect to x or y. Now limits, we have to check limits. Limits of inner integration is in terms of x. That's why inner integration should be with respect to y first. Okay. Now consider, let I is equal to this integration as it is. Now put the bracket to the inner integration as it is. With respect to dy, you have to interchange this dy first, then with respect to dx afterwards. Now this integration we have to solve by our usual method, but remember, with respect to y in this integration, x is a constant, rest all the things are same. Now take the integration in this 4xy with respect to y. 4x is a constant, take outside, integration of y minus y cube integration. Okay, now 4x as it is, y integration is y square by 2, limits are x cube to a root x, minus y cube integration is y raised to 4 by 4, limits as it is x cube to root x, and after that dx is there. Okay, now we have to put the limits, upper limits and minus lower limit. This 2 2s are 4, 2x, y square, put root x in y, we get root x square is x, minus x cube square. X cube square is nothing but indice raised to indice, that is x cube square, and when indice raised to indice is there, it becomes 3 to the 6. Okay, if x cube into x square is there, it becomes x raised to 3 plus 2. When base are different, base are same, and here base is only 1, here base are 2. These are two different this thing. Okay, indice raised to indice means multiplication, just remember that. Okay, therefore here x raised to 6 is there, 3 to the 6, minus टेक 1/4 कॉन्स्टंट आउटसाइड ब्रॅकेट y रेस टू 4 मध्ये रूट एक्स टाकायचं आहे. रूट एक्स रेस टू 4 बिकम्स एक्स स्क्वेअर. रूट एक्स रेस टू 4/2 दॅट मीन्स एक्स स्क्वेअर मायनस वाय मध्ये एक्स क्यूब टाकायचा आहे. एक्स क्यूब रेस टू 4 एक्स क्यूब रेस टू 4 इंडेक्स रेस टू इंडेक्स मीन्स 4 3 जा 12. Okay, this becomes the inner integration gets solved. Now put the simplify before calculating the outer integration. 2x square becomes it becomes 2x square, remove the all brackets, minus 2x raised to 7, this minus x square by 4 minus plus x raised to 12 by 4. Okay, now take the integration. X square integration is x cube by 3, 2 as it is, constant as it is, minus 2 x raised to 7 integration is x raised to 8 by 8. Okay, minus x square integration x cube by 3, that 3 into 4 12, plus x raised to 12 integration x cube x raised to 13 upon 13 into 4 52. Okay, limits at 0 to 1. Now put 1 throughout the x, we get this 2 by 3 minus 2 by 8 minus 1 by 12 plus 1 by 52. Minus lower limit becomes 0 0 0 0 0. Adding all these numbers on calculator, we get this is the answer. Okay, now let us see next example. Integration, we have to evaluate. Question is same throughout the double integration and also triple integration. Evaluate the integration 1 to 3, and this is the lower limit, this is the upper limit. 6x square minus 40y dx dy. Now if you see, the inner limits are in terms of y, that's why this integration we have to solve with respect to x first. Now let I is equal to this integration as it is. Put the bracket in to the inner integration. Inner integration is with respect to x. Okay, now take the integration. X square integration is x cube by 3, and here integration is with respect to x. 40y is a constant, that's why 40y as it is, and integration of 1 is x. Remember, don't do this mistake. Derivative of 1 is 0, while integration of 1 is x. Okay, don't forget this. Therefore integration of 1 with respect to x is x here. Now put the limits as it is here. Okay, now we have to put the limits, upper limit and lower limit, in obviously x. Here in the bracket y is constant, that's why 3 to the 6, 2x cube, before that simplify, minus 40 by 2 is 20 xy, limits as it is dy. Okay, further we have to simplify only. One, 2, 3. This we have to put upper limit first. 2 into x. x मध्ये upper limit टाकायचे 2y minus 1 cube minus 20y constant. x मध्ये upper limit 2y minus 1. हे झालं upper limit. Double bracket टाका, curly bracket, then bracket to the upper limit, minus bracket to the lower limit. minus y by 2 plus 3 by 2 x मध्ये टाकायचं आहे. 2 into x मध्ये this term lower limit cube minus 20y constant as it is, x मध्ये ही term upper limit. Bracket complete, lower limit complete, and curly bracket complete throughout the integration. Okay, now we have to solve this, simplify before calculating integration, outer integration. Therefore it becomes a minus b bracket cube. What is a minus b bracket cube? A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. This is the formula for a minus b bracket cube. We have to use here a minus b. A is 2y, b is 1. Therefore the expansion becomes a cube, that is 2y cube, is 8y cube, minus 3a square, that is 4y square, into b, that is 1, plus 3a into a is 1, 2y into b square is 1, square is 1, minus last b cube, 1 cube is minus 1, minus take 20y inside, we get minus 40y square, minus plus 20y. Now this minus as it is 2, again a minus b bracket cube as it is, this is a, this is b, reverse term is there, that's why this is a, this is b. A cube minus 3a square b plus 3ab square minus b cube. Okay, bracket complete. Minus 20 minus minus plus 20y, 20 divided by 2 becomes 10y square, and minus 2 tens are 20, 10 into 3 again 30 is this y as it is. Okay, bracket complete. Dy. Now simplify again this. We get 8 to the this multiply to inside the bracket, we get this term minus this as it is, minus this get 2 inside this bracket, we get this bracket. Okay, and dy as it is. Now remove this bracket and we get these are similar terms. Minus 24y square minus 40y square becomes minus 64y square, this as it is, plus 12y plus 20y plus 32y minus 2 as it is. This term completed. Minus take out inside this bracket, all the terms get reverse, minus plus minus plus minus and this plus 30y dy. Okay, now in this bracket also few terms are similar. How to find out? Start with the highest power. Highest power of y is y cube. This is polynomial in y. That's why to simplify, start with higher power of y. y cube च्या किती टर्म आहेत? एक सिंगल अंडरलाइन, एक दोन टर्म आहेत, ॲड करा त्या. 16 प्लस 1/4 65/4 y क्यूब. आता y स्क्वेअरच्या टर्म अंडरलाइन करायच्या, डबल अंडरलाइन डबल अंडरलाइन डबल अंडरलाइन डबल अंडरलाइन, अँड ॲड दिस 3 वी गेट minus 305/4 y स्क्वेअर. आता y च्या टर्म कर्ली अंडरलाइन कर्ली अंडरलाइन कर्ली अंडरलाइन, ॲड दिस 3 वी गेट दिस टर्म, and last राहिला constant term minus 2 minus 27/4 without underline term, these are minus 35/4 dy. Okay, now this is the most simplified form. Now take the integration राहिलेला with respect to y. All are constant as it is. Y cube integration is y raised to 4/4, y square integration y cube by 3, y integration is y square by 2, and 30/4 is a constant and integration of 1 is y with respect to y is 1. इथं तुम्ही मिस्टेक करता, इथं तुम्ही 30/4 फक्त घेताय. ओके, बट इंटिग्रेशनमध्ये 1 राहतं इथं, आणि 1चं इंटिग्रेशन आहे x विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू x. आता विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू y असल्यामुळे y घेतलं इथं. ओके, ना पुट द लिमिट. आता सिम्प्लिफाय केलं तरी चालेल, नाही केलं तरी चालेल, बट फॉर दॅट पुट द लिमिट, अपर लिमिट 3 in y, अँड मायनस करून लोअर लिमिटला ब्रॅकेट टाकायचा कंपल्सरी. ओके, बिकॉज मायनसमुळं सगळ्या साईन चेंज होतात, म्हणून लोअर लिमिट ज्या वेळेला टाकाल त्यावेळेला मायनस नंतर कंपल्सरी ब्रॅकेट टाकायचा, आणि 1 टाकायचं आहे सगळ्या वायमध्ये. दिस वी गेट. ओके, नाव कॅल्क्युलेटरवर सगळं ॲड करा आहे. वी गेट आन्सर minus 235/3. नाव कन्सिडर नेक्स्ट. इव्हॅल्युएट I is equal to integration 1 to a 1 to b dx dy upon xy. तर या पर्टिक्युलर एक्झाम्पलमध्ये इंटिग्रेशनचे लिमिट हे फक्त सगळे कॉन्स्टंट्स आहेत, देर इज नो व्हेरिएबल. ओके, दॅट्स वाय असं ज्यावेळेला एक्झाम्पल येईल जिथं इंटिग्रेशनचे लिमिट्स हे कॉन्स्टंट असेल, 1 to 2 2 to 3. आता ए बी हे कॉन्स्टंट्सच आहेत, आपल्याकडे व्हेरिएबल फक्त 2 आहेत, x and y, त्यामुळे हे सगळे कॉन्स्टंट लिमिट झाले. अशा वेळेला कुठलंही इंटिग्रेशन कुठलंही आधी सॉल्व करा, डझंट मॅटर. ओके, नाव लेट अस सी. आता जनरली आपण एक्सनं स्टार्ट करूया अशा वेळेला. नाव पुट द इनर इंटिग्रेशनला ब्रॅकेट टाका, 1 to b 1 to a ॲज इट इज, dx dy बाहेर घ्या. इंटिग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स करतो आहे आधी आपण, 1/x xy इज दी आवर फंक्शन. ओके, नाव इंटिग्रेशन आतलं सॉल्व करायचं आहे विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स, त्यामुळे y कॉन्स्टंट आहे, 1/y टेक आउटसाईड फ्रॉम दिस इंटिग्रेशन, आणि 1/xचं इंटिग्रेशन आहे हिअर टू. आपण ऑलरेडी इंटिग्रेशनचे सगळे फॉर्म्युले लिहून घेतलेले आहेत. ओके, अदरवाईज फॉर्म्युले लिहून काढा सगळे. 1/x dx is log x. This is the formula for 1/x integration. Okay, and x raised to n integration x raised to n plus 1 by n plus 1. सगळे फॉर्म्युले इंटिग्रेशनचे पार्ट पाहिजेत. ओके, now log x is the 1/x integration, limits are 1 to b dy. Now put limit in x, upper limit b log b minus lower limit 1 log 1, and we know log 1 ची व्हॅल्यू 0 असते, त्यामुळे ह्याचा आन्सर आला फक्त log b. 1/y ॲज इट इज, बाकी सगळं ॲज इट इज. आता राहिलं इंटिग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाय. लॉग बी कॉन्स्टंट आहे, बाहेर काढलं. 1/yचं इंटिग्रेशन, परत इंटिग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू वाय इज, हा फॉर्म्युला अप्लाय झाला 1/x. अगेन लॉग वाय. लिमिट्स 1 to a. Okay, and log b as it is, put upper limit a, we get log a minus lower limit 1 log 1, and again we know log 1 0, answer is log a into log b. Okay, this is the answer. जर इंटिग्रेशनचे लिमिट हे कॉन्स्टंट असेल तर कुठलं इंटिग्रेशन आधी सॉल्व करा, एक्स करा किंवा वाय करा. हे उलटं जरी केलं तरी चालतं, डी वाय आधी घेऊन नंतर डी एक्स, आन्सर सेम येतं. ओके, कन्सिडर दिस इज homework for you. Okay, homework. Integration 0 to 1, inner integration y to y square plus 1. त्यामुळे वायचं फंक्शन आहे, त्यामुळे आतलं इंटिग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स असणार. ओके, फर्स्ट एक्स स्क्वेअर वाय डी एक्स डी वाय. सॉल्व दिस इंटिग्रेशन, आन्सर इज 67/120. दिस इज होमवर्क इन, म्हणजे असाइनमेंट. यू हॅव टू सॉल्व इट इन असाइनमेंट. ओके, नाउ नेक्स्ट 6th example, evaluate this integration. Integration's outer limit 0 to 1, 0 to inner limit 1 plus y square under root dx dy upon 1 plus x square plus y square. Okay, now बाहेरचे लिमिट्स, inner limits are in terms of y, that's why we have to first solve it the inner integration with respect to x. Now put the bracket for the inner integration with respect to x. dy बाहेर घ्या, 1 upon x square plus y square लिहिले मी 1 plus y square plus x square, बिकॉज इंटिग्रेशन विथ रिस्पेक्ट टू एक्स आहे, त्यामुळे y इथं कॉन्स्टंट असणार आणि 1 पण कॉन्स्टंट आहे, त्यामुळे ह्या कॉन्स्टंटला ब्रॅकेटमध्ये टाका. दिस इज अ कॉन्स्टंट आणि प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर, म्हणजे कुठलं इंटिग्रेशन आपल्याला अप्लाय करायचं आहे ते आपण शोधायचं आहे. ओके, अँड वी नो वन इंटिग्रेशन ऑफ 1 अपॉन ए स्क्वेअर प्लस एक्स स्क्वेअर किंवा एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअर अप्लाय करायचं आहे. डी एक्स इट इज 1/a tan इनवर्स एक्स अपॉन ए, असा फॉर्म्युला आहे. वेअर इथं ए स्क्वेअर असेल तर इथं ए येणार कंपल्सरी, म्हणजे इथं 4 असेल तर इथं 2 येणार, रूट येणार त्याचं. ओके, या फॉर्म्युलानुसार ए स्क्वेअर आहे इथं आणि इथं ए, म्हणजे रूट घ्यायचा आहे फक्त नंबरचा. आता इथं कॉन्स्टंट आहे 1 plus y स्क्वेअर, त्यामुळे आपल्या कन्व्हिनियन्ससाठी आपण 1 plus y स्क्वेअरला ए स्क्वेअर करायचं. फॉर्म्युला आपल्या कॉन्स्टंट, आपल्या जस्ट फॉर अवर कन्व्हिनियन्स, नाही केलं तरी चालतं, समजलं तर. ओके, पुट वाय स्क्वेअर 1 plus y स्क्वेअरला ए स्क्वेअर टाका, वी गेट दिस इंटिग्रेशन. रेस्ट ऑफ द टर्म ॲज इट इज 1 upon x स्क्वेअर प्लस दिस ए स्क्वेअर डी एक्स. आता इझी आहे आपल्याला रिकॉल करायला विच फॉर्म्युला वी कॅन अप्लाय, अँड दॅट फॉर्म्युला इज 1/a tan इनवर्स x अपॉन ए. लिमिट 0 to this under root 1 plus y square, dy as it is, 1 integration बाहेरचा as it is. Now put the limit in x, integration with respect to x आहे, त्यामुळे अपर लिमिट x मध्ये टाकायचं आहे 1/a tan इनवर्स अंडर रूट 1 plus y square अपॉन a, आणि लोअर लिमिट टाकायचं आहे 0 in x. tan इनवर्स 0 ची व्हॅल्यू 0 असते. ओके, कुठेतरी लिहून घ्या हे सगळे फॉर्म्युले जे आपण डिस्कस करतोय. प्रत्येक चॅप्टरच्या आधी एक पेज जोडा. आता असाइनमेंट लिहिताना किंवा नोट्समध्ये लिहिताना ह्या चॅप्टरच्या आधी एक पेज तुम्ही तयार करा, इथं इंटिग्रेशन फॉर्म्युले. ओके, पहिलं पेज तुमचं PDF असणार आहे, इंटिग्रेशन फॉर्म्युले, सगळे इंटिग्रेशनचे फॉर्म्युले लिहून काढायचे. ओके, नाव tan इनवर्स 0 is 0, हे पण ह्या पण व्हॅल्यू लिहा आधी. ओके, देअरफॉर लोअर लिमिट बिकम 0. आता आपल्याला रिसब्स्टिट्यूट करायचं आहे, कारण 1 plus y स्क्वेअरला आपण ए स्क्वेअर म्हटले, इथं आपण परत द्यायचं ह्या स्टेपला. ए इज 1 plus y स्क्वेअरला ए स्क्वेअर आहे, त्यामुळे ए बिकम्स अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 plus y स्क्वेअर. tan इनवर्स ए बिकम्स अंडर रूट ऑफ 1 plus y स्क्वेअर. दिस गेट्स कॅन्सल. tan इनवर्स 1 ची व्हॅल्यू असते π/4. ह्या व्हॅल्यू कुठेतरी लिहून घ्या, पाठ करायचे तुम्ही. ओके, therefore integration becomes 1 upon this root as it is, tan inverse 1 dy. tan inverse 1 ची व्हॅल्यू π/4, that is a constant with respect to y, that's why take outside, and integration राहिलं 1 upon root 1 plus y square dy. ओके, आणि ह्याचा फॉर्म्युला आहे हा अप्लाय होणार, इंटिग्रेशन 1 upon अंडर रूट एक्स स्क्वेअर प्लस ए स्क्वेअर. हा फॉर्म्युला इथं अप्लाय होणार, दॅट इज लॉग एक्स. फॉर्म्युला इज लॉग x plus under root x square plus a square. हा फॉर्म्युला इथं अप्लाय करायचा आहे इथं, वेअर ए स्क्वेअर म्हणजे हा इथं 1 झाला आणि एक्सच्या ऐवजी इथं वाय आहे. ओके, द आन्सर इज लॉग वाय प्लस अंडर रूटची व्हॅल्यू सेम 1 + y². रिमेंबर दिस फॉर्म्युला ऑल्सो. ओके, फॉर्म्युले सगळे तोंडपाठ पाहिजेत तुम्हाला. Now put the limit 0 to 1 as it is here. We get log 1 plus 1 square plus 1, that is 2. Upper limit becomes log of 1 plus root 2. Minus lower limit 0 टाकायचं आहे इथं, त्यामुळे इथं 0 झालं. इथं √1 म्हणजे 1, log 1 राहिला फक्त. And log 1 value we know 0. Now final answer is pi/4 outsideचा log 1 plus √2. Okay. Now these are some homeworks for you. सॉल्व करायचे आहेत आपण 6 आणि प्रत्येकाचे आन्सर्स दिलेले आहेत ब्रॅकेटमध्ये. ओके, दिस इज द फर्स्ट इंटिग्रेशन 0 to 1 0 to x e⁻x + y dx dy. आणि इथं प्रत्येक याच्यामध्ये हिंट पण दिलेली आहे, जिथं जिथं पॉसिबल होईल. हिंट इज e⁻x + y ला e⁻x × e⁻y करा, म्हणजे इंटिग्रेशन घ्यायला इझी होईल. आन्सर इज दिस. ओके, नाउ सेकंड इंटिग्रेशन इज दिस, थर्ड इज दिस, 8th एक्झाम्पल, 9th एक्झाम्पल. फॉर दिस एक्झाम्पल एक्स आत घ्या, ब्रॅकेटमध्ये मल्टिप्लाय करून नंतर ते ठरवा. ठीक आहे, कुठलं इंटिग्रेशन आधी होणार आहे. अँड आन्सर इज दिस. नाउ दिस इज ऑल्सो होमवर्क. आन्सर इज दिस e⁻2. दिस इज ऑल्सो होमवर्क. ओके, a is a constant. Okay, we'll see next example in next lecture. Okay.